Microsoft is improving Windows 11 specifically for business users, and it's a productivity story every manufacturer should hear. Most manufacturing businesses rely on Windows 11 every day, but small distractions and update prompts can quickly stall your team's momentum. From the front office to the warehouse floor, your team depends on reliable workstations to keep your business moving. Microsoft's latest focus is on quality, making Windows feel faster, calmer, and much less disruptive for your everyday operations. A key part of this is reducing unnecessary AI distractions. Microsoft is moving toward a more intentional approach with Copilot entry points. For manufacturers, consistency matters. AI should support your productivity without creating confusion or cluttering your workflow. A calmer Windows experience helps your team stay focused on quoting, inventory, and production without unnecessary alerts. Updates are critical for security, but they need to be managed carefully to avoid interrupting time-sensitive manufacturing processes. Microsoft is giving users more flexibility, allowing updates to be planned and monitored to ensure business continuity. File Explorer performance and taskbar flexibility are also coming back, saving your team those small moments that add up over time. Faster file access means less waiting and a smoother experience for employees who work with data throughout the day. But the operating system is only one part of the picture. Your overall IT setup and maintenance still matter. For manufacturers across Metro Atlanta, managed IT services provide a proactive way to keep devices secure and reliable. Custom Technologies helps you manage update schedules, monitor performance, and check compatibility with your critical business apps. By focusing on Windows quality and proactive IT management, you can protect your systems while reducing frustration for your team. Don't let tech slow you down. Contact Custom Technologies today for a manufacturing IT consultation and keep your business moving.